Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating apps like Tinder in 2025. Today's video is all about something super straightforward but surprisingly tricky for many users: how to change your age on Tinder. Whether you've just celebrated a birthday or realized your profile needs an update, we're here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Tinder app. In 2025, Tinder has rolled out some new features for better profile accuracy, so updates are key. Start by opening the Tinder app on your phone. You'll see the main screen with potential matches. Swipe past that for now and tap on your profile icon, usually in the top left or right corner, depending on your device. Once you're in your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's pretty intuitive. It might say Edit Info or something similar. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of editable fields like your bio, photos, and yes, your age. Now, here's where it gets specific. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and find the age field. Tap on it, and you can enter your new age. But wait, don't rush. Tinder in 2025 might prompt you for verification to prevent any funny business, so have your ID ready or be prepared to confirm via email. After you've entered the correct age, hit the Save button at the top or bottom of the screen. Give it a moment to process, and voila, your age is updated. Remember, changing your age could affect your matches, as the algorithm uses this info for compatibility. Always be honest to keep things genuine on the app. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. If you're under 18, Tinder won't allow you to create or update a profile, so make sure you're eligible. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more dating hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Catch you in the next one. Happy swiping.